In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create survey on Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from the Forms homepage. Alright, pick a ready-made layout and fine-tune the questions so your survey is clear and professional. First, head to Microsoft Forms. You can open it in your browser by searching for Microsoft Forms or by navigating to the Forms section from your Microsoft 365 apps. If you're asked to sign in, use your Microsoft account so you can save your work and come back to it later. Once the page loads, you'll be on the design area where new forms and templates live. Next, look for the survey option. On the Forms start page, you'll see different ways to begin, typically a section for templates, sumps, and sometimes featured categories. Locate the survey category or tile. This helps you start with the right structure designed specifically for collecting feedback rather than quizzes or polls. Go ahead and click on Survey. This opens the survey experience and shows you options tailored to feedback collection, like questions suited for ratings, multiple choice, and open-ended responses. Clicking here ensures the default settings and available templates will match what most surveys need. Now, choose a template. You'll see a gallery of survey templates for common scenarios, things like event feedback, customer satisfaction, or team check-ins. Pick the one that best matches your goals so you don't have to build from scratch. Templates give you a head start with sensible questions and a clean layout you can modify. Click on the template you've chosen to open it. This loads the template into the editor where you can see the title, description, and a list of pre-filled questions. Think of this as your working draft. From here, you can adjust wording, remove anything that doesn't apply, and tailor the tone to your audience. Finally, scroll down to edit and check the questionnaire. Update the survey title to clearly state its purpose and add a brief description setting expectations for respondents. Click into each question to edit the text, change the question type if needed, and add or remove choices. Use the required toggle on questions you must have answered and add helpful subtitles or hints for clarity. Reorder questions by dragging them so they flow logically, from general to specific. If your template includes scales or ratings, confirm the scale labels make sense. When everything looks good, review the entire survey from top to bottom to catch typos, ensure consistent formatting, and verify that each question collects the information you need. That's it. Your survey is set up and ready for feedback.